Turn to fly again today, bit windy. I'm going to be doing my nav exercise in beautiful Romeo Tango X-Ray. And look what's getting to go, the Big Bell 222. That's Table Mountain in the background. We got aviation pilot training. There's my baby, Zulu Sierra Romeo Tango X-Ray. And there's the 222 getting ready to go. Final checks and she should lift shortly. For those of you that remember Airwolf, that's basically the baby that was an Airwolf, except this is the utility version with skids. Airwolf had wheels, undercarriage. My goodness, it's going to get windy now where that thing lifts. The jetty coming in. Imagine the 222 is just waiting for clearance from the tower to lift. The jetty goes for the landing. There we go, check the coning angle. Blades are up. Skids off the ground. It's a sandstorm. And she's gone. What a beast. What a beast of a machine.